About a week ago, I was suspended from the YouTube Partner Program, or in other words, I have been fully and completely demonetized.
YouTube turned off my monetization at the peak of tons of support, just 14 hours after my videos were published.
So basically, YouTube are massively demonetizing many faceless channels. And if you can remember earlier this year, YouTube, they made a statement they're going to be taking a step further in removing AI slobs channel in order to make the platform safe and free for everybody. But from the look of things, it's not just only AI content that have been affected, even content that have been made by human efforts. When it comes to the script writing, to the production, to the voiceover, to the editing, they are all done by human efforts. They are also being affected.
I make animations based on Poppy Playtime. This is my main format. This is my business. This is not a hobby. This is how I live.
Now, a bigger question will be, what type of content are safe on the YouTube platform now? Because YouTube can still come tomorrow and bring up a new policy and say, from now henceforth, this type of content are not allowed on the platform anyhow. So in today's video, I'll be giving you two major broad categories of faceless channels that can never be affected, irrespective of whatever policy that YouTube may come up with tomorrow. If you are doing this type of content, you can never be affected. Number one is the faceless finance content, and number two is the commentary content. Now, the reason why faceless finance content can never be affected is the fact that they tend to provide financial knowledge to the viewers, and not just financial knowledge alone. When it comes to their making of videos, they hardly make use of AI content that much. They tend to follow two broad ways. It's either they are making use of sketching, or number two, they are making use of stock footage and stock videos, which is altogether is okay on the platform.
Every time the stock market crashes, you hear the same headline: trillions of dollars wiped out in a single day. Your portfolio is down.
Since this was published, all manner of outlets have perpetuated this idea that conveniently falls in line with other tropes like money can't buy happiness and money is the root of all evil.
Those sketches and those stock footage is just like a backup to make the video interesting and appealing to watch. But the main bottom goal is giving you financial knowledge, which is on YouTube is okay. And for you to start up a finance faceless content, it is very, very easy. You don't need to have financial knowledge of it. But one thing again, it depends if you have passion on it, because it will not be that interesting if you're making a channel that you don't have passion on it. It is much more okay, because if you have passion on a particular channel niche, you can tend to go for the long run. That is one big factor that affects anybody that wants to make content on the faceless finance niche. Now, the one that I feel that anybody can rush into, irrespective of whatever your passion is the commentary type of content. Whether you enjoy watching TV shows or movies or watching YouTube videos or your popular creators or even TikTok, whatever platform you're very much interested, you can make a commentary channel on it. You understand? And the fact is that there are many commentary channels that are safe from this YouTube demonetization policy. I've now seen in this recent wave now where commentary channels are calling out YouTube for demonetizing their channel. Why? Because those type of content, they are safe, and it is very, very easy for you to make commentary content on YouTube. Maybe you spotted a popular trend on YouTube, you can just vibe to it, play a Minecraft gameplay on it, and just start talking and upload it, and to get millions of views. So far, my most viewed video on this channel has to be commentary, where I was making kind of like analysis on how much actual speed made. And then, since actual speed was trending on YouTube, many people had to watch the video. And not just that alone, if you tend to make content on people's favorite celebrity, they tend to get views. This is a good channel, for example. The channel just kind of repeats Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast field and just that. And it's getting millions of views. Bro, it is very, very easy. And I want every one of you to start making content around this niche for you to stay safe on YouTube and for you to be free from demonetization, bro. So that's all I have for now. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe, and until next time.